In this video, I'll show you how to disable the active noise control and engine sound enhancement in your 2024 or newer Toyota Tacoma. To get started, turn on your Tacoma and leave it running. Next, plug your Carista adapter into the truck's OBD2 port, open the Carista app on your phone, and name your vehicle. The app will start downloading your Tacoma's settings. This can take a few minutes, so just be patient. Once it's loaded, tap Customize, then select Chassis and Engine from there. Select Active Noise Control, turn it off, and save your changes. Do the exact same thing for engine sound enhancement, turn it off and hit save. The Carista app offers a ton of other cool tweaks you can make to your Tacoma while you're in there. We highly recommend picking up one of these units, but if you don't want to buy one, you can also ask your local Toyota dealer to disable these features for you.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of the social medias, as well as subscribe to us on YouTube, because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio upgrade in your 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, whether it has JBL, non-JBL, is a hybrid, or a non-hybrid.